What's up? It's Thursday, last lift of the week. It's starting to get colder. It's like 55 degrees. Oh, it's like 55 degrees this morning, so that's a bummer. You know, I think if I worked outside, it'd be good that it was cooler, but I'm inside all day. Like, I'm pretty happy if it's 80. Oh well, let's get to it. Sunny and I both work full time, so making sure that Mint gets all of her wiggles out and, you know, gets to do something every day can be pretty tough. Every morning when I get home from the gym, I take Mint on a mile walk, and then as soon as I'm done eating lunch, I take her on another mile walk. And then after work, Sunny will take her on a walk or take her to the dog park or something. Today, though, we're both going to take her to the dog park. I feel like Mint definitely gets more exercise than other doggies and more attention, but she's a good girl, so she deserves it. I'm gonna leave things there. No workout tomorrow. Sleeping in. So I'll see you tomorrow.